first of all, I am really thankful to Business World, Dr. Batra, and the jury for this recognition. I think it's a celebration of what Amazon Mini TV has been able to achieve. It is one of the fastest growing OTTs in the country, and our mission is to provide free entertainment to masses as well as enabling brands and advertisers to share their brand objectives at scale with a very engaged audience. And we've been able to massively scale our viewership. So, this entire award is actually a testament. Sorry, can I do it again? I'm so sorry. So sorry. So sorry. Okay. So go ahead with the question. Yeah.
I have a repeat question.
Yeah, just it.
Uh, so Aruna, what does this recognition mean to you and your company?
No, first of all, I'm very thankful to Business World, Dr. Batra, and the jury for this recognition. It's truly humbling, and it feels really good to have this recognition for the team as well. So, Amazon Mini TV is one of the fastest growing OTTs in the country. We've got massive audience love, and our mission is to provide free entertainment, good quality entertainment at scale to the masses, and enable brands and advertisers to share their marketing communication with a very engaged audience. This award is a recognition towards all the efforts that my team has put in, and that's what it means to me.
So Aruna, in your view, what are the three key ingredients of achieving operational excellence and sustained success in a company?
So at Amazon, we actually have core leadership principles, which is a fabric of our entire culture. So as per me, if I were to really look at both entrepreneurs or intrapreneurs to succeed, they need to be first of all very customer obsessed. Whatever is good for the customer and ensuring that they really enjoy the experience that you are building out. The second is, I think as owners, we need to have a very high bar on ownership. Is truly owning each and every aspect of what you are bringing to your customers, to your revenue creators, to your teams as well. And the third is building trust along this journey. I know we as entrepreneurs are very, very aggressive, we are very, very motivated, but at the same time, we need to build trust with our teams, our stakeholders, and carry them along with you in their success.
Aruna, as an entrepreneur, how do you balance between the need for experimentation and risk taking?
I think as a culture, we should celebrate failures. That's the only way that the teams will be motivated to do various kinds of experiments, because there will be one such experiment which can have massive scale. So I would really encourage everyone to keep trying, celebrate failures as a culture. Only then you will be able to find that real seed or gem that will give you massive success.